Hi friends, welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. So see, today I'm just going for a very long term, in the sense it's like not a long term. I can call it as a swing trading. I'll be trading short side. Means I'm shorting today Reliance. I'm taking some good risk, means very high risk also, but it's a high probability trade that I can get some around 120 110 rupees on the downside. So I'm not targeting any specific location like this, because uh, because as of now the Reliance is like it is going only upside. So let me show you. This is the trade I'm going to execute. So as of now the quantity is 505 and the price is at 2135. Right? So I'll be shorting here. And my risk is something like very big, because it might reach 2500 also. Remember that. Reliance, before going down, it can reach up to 2500 also. Understand, right? So out of what I am doing is, out of 2500 there is a chance, no, because there was a lot of investments like Facebook, Google, and other top Saudi Aramco and GP, and all these companies have invested a lot of money. So around 1.5 lakh crores. So that's a big money, huge money, right? So definitely the stock will go upside only, even if it comes downside. But what I am doing is swing trading. So I short with a 505 share. That too next contract, not July contract. This is August contract. If you closely see this, 27 August. And if at all, if there is any chance also, I'll forward it to the September. So my worst case scenario is, by September I'll be getting some kind of 100 rupees. So 100, in the sense, it is something like a 50,000. 55,000, around that figure. So this is something like, I just want to challenge the market, because as of now everyone are buying. So I am just waiting for this scenario again. Here again the same scenario I am waiting. So if there is any chance also, it should come below, right? So my position size is very small, because I'm just shorting only one lot. So now I'm shorting only one lot, but what I am going to take is the another thing which is very important. I want to tell you is, I'm going for a long also, but on cash. So now see, as of now it is coming down. Actually already we are in some 3 rupees profit, but it doesn't matter again, because it goes upside again 10-15 rupees now. So I'm not thinking about that. I'm just looking for end of the month August contract, or midterm, or if it comes my target in the next 3-4 days also, I'll book it. But I personally feel that my target minimum of 60 to 70 rupees. I just left the cutoff size. This is my target, 2053. I just want to share you, because 85 rupees I kept at target. So this target will be achieved, I know that. But before that, how long on the upside it will travel is the most important thing. I am thinking that 2500 is also frankly achievable as of the current situation, because Reliance is unstoppable. It is having around 14-15 lakhs market cap, biggest of the biggest, above HDFC Bank, TCS, Infosys, what do you call the Tata Motors, whatever, Bharti Airtel, all these companies are way below this Reliance now, as of now. So my safe side bet is, I'm going to invest some kind of a 250 rupees on 250, I'll be purchasing 250 shares. Okay, 250 shares in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase buy shares in cash market 50 to cover my position. Okay, and here shorting futures contract August month for 80 rupees downside, that is till 2053. So at any given point of time, what I'll do is, okay, anything below 2100, okay, anything 2100, what I'm going to do is I'll be waiting for the initial target of 2053 and I'll cover the position. Okay, in the sense, what I'll do is I will maintain the buy on Reliance, means I'll add some more 250 shares on the cash market, but I will make sure that I'll drive this futures contract on the downside. I don't book it till 1986. Okay, because this will be my last target. This is my initial target, this is my last target. So I'll keep on piling up, adding up in the cash market, because fundamentally and technically our debt-free company and huge investments happened. So I just want to play it on the both sides. So what I'm going to do is all this, whatever this, right, I'll book the profit in the futures contract. And technically speaking, as we know that Reliance is the biggest company and it will play a major role, major share in the Nifty 50 stocks and Indian stock market. If it moves upside, the market moves upside. If it moves downside, the market moves downside. So what I'm going to do is I'll be buying in the every dip, means support levels. Here I'll add some more, again 250 shares. Here I'll add more shares, so that even if this price comes in from here also, I'll be in profit, and we got this profit already. So I'm playing around something like an arbitrage kind of a stuff, okay, and some sort of a hedging stuff, and some sort of an covering my position, both sides. And as of now, this is the best stock to play all these things, okay, because even if it fell for 150-200 points downside also, there is a high probability it will come back to its last position, means that 200 whatever the points fell, right, from that position it will come back to that location either after 1.5 months or 2 months. So this is what I am going to do. I want to share with you guys, this is my plan and I am executing this. Okay, thank you. And one more thing, I'll be updating you guys on this every possible day whenever I see that the trade is going according to our plan. Okay, but I know that markets are different, they will play against us always, but that's the reason, right, I bought the shares also. Okay, so we'll see how the things will happen, and I am on the safer side first thing. Okay, but the where I am losing is if the market goes upside, my futures contract will be giving me 50% loss, and because the other 50% these shares are covering my position, right? So at some point of time I am expecting the reversal rate till after 2500 at least by hitting their Reliance. So at that time what I'll do, I'll show you, okay, because I'll be keep updating this Reliance stock from today onwards. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.